Out of questions tonight over a suspected Russian spy ship just off Hawaii. The U.S. Coast Guard now says it is tracking this ship. So how close is it and what it's doing there? Martha Raddatz and what she's learned tonight.
Tonight, the U.S. Coast Guard carefully monitoring this Russian ship prowling the waters off of the Hawaiian Islands. And not just any ship, a vessel the Coast Guard says is believed to be an intelligence-gathering ship, a spy ship.
Ships loitering in an area is abnormal, and with this one being a Russian vessel off one of our key naval harbors in the Pacific, that will be of concern to the naval leadership.
Indeed, Joint Base Pearl Harbor is one of the Navy's busiest, with some of the most sophisticated and secret warships in its arsenal. It's where we boarded a boat that took us to a nuclear-armed ballistic missile submarine last year off Hawaii's coast. The submarines do not like to stay above water for long because then they are detectable. Exactly the kind of submarine the Russians could try to learn more about by dropping a tracking device underwater. But there is another possibility: sabotage.
They could be mapping some of our critical infrastructure that comes in and out of Hawaii, fiber optic internet and communication cables, for example.
The Russians have a right to be in international waters, but making the concern public lets the Russians know we're carefully watching. And David, the Coast Guard tells me that the Russian vessel has been moving anywhere from 100 miles off the Hawaiian coast to close enough to shore where you can see it with binoculars. David?
Binoculars, that's quite something. Martha Raddatz tonight. Martha, thank you.